Freelancing used to feel like the dream, right? Work from anywhere, be your own boss, make money on your terms. But now it's starting to feel like a nightmare. No sponsors, no clients, everyone using AI. Fiverr and Upwork are flooded. People are literally saying freelancing is dead. And honestly, I kind of believed it too. Until I realized something that changed everything. Let's talk about what's really going on. So, here's the deal. Freelancing isn't what it was even 2 years ago. The global freelance economy is still huge. We are talking over $1 trillion, but the way that money moves, that's where things get weird. After the pandemic, millions of people jumped into freelancing at the same time. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork or freelancer.com totally flooded. You post a gig today, and within an hour, there are hundreds of people competing for the same job. And then boom, AI shows up. Clients now have ChatGPT writing articles, Canva splitting out designs, tools editing videos. So a lot of the basic jobs gone, or they pay next to nothing. On top of that, clients have become picky, like really picky. They want proof you can deliver and they want it cheap. So yeah, the money is still there, but it's not spread out evenly. And for a lot of new or mid-level freelancers, it feels like the door's slowly closing. If you scroll through YouTube or Instagram, it feels like everyone is making bank from freelancing on $5,000 a month from your laptop. Just make a profile and watch the clients roll in. It's never been easier to start. Sounds amazing, right? Until you actually try it. Here is my reality, and probably yours too. You spend hours crafting proposals, nothing. A client finally replies, but they want a 500 project for $5. You refresh your feed, and the job you wanted already has 100 proposals. And you start thinking, maybe it's me, maybe I'm just not good enough. But then you realize it's not just you. I have talked to freelancers with years of experience who are struggling to get work now. So yeah, the gurus aren't lying. There is money in freelancing. But what they don't tell you is that most people aren't getting a piece of it because the game has completely changed. Alright, let's cut the noise. Here is what's really going on out here. Number one, market saturation. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, they're packed. Every time a client posts a job, they get flooded. It's not that there is no work, it's that there is too many people fighting for the same scrap. And unless you have got a profile that screamed, "Trust me, I'm worth it," you are invisible. Number two, AI is eating the low-end job. A few years ago, you could make money writing basic blog posts, designing logos, or editing simple videos. Now, ChatGPT writes mid-journey designs and CapCut edits for free. If your skills are basic, you are competing with robots, and robots don't sleep or ask for payment. Number three, clients are different now. They have got options and they know it. They expect more work for less money, faster deadlines, and proof you can deliver. They are not just hiring a person, they are investing in a result. Number four, skills are shifting. The money is moving to hybrid skills, not just video editor, but video editor plus storyteller. Not just web designer, but web designer plus SEO plus conversion expert. If you are one-dimensional or you are easier to replace. Number five, trust beats everything. At the end of the day, clients hire people they trust, not just the cheapest option. If you don't have testimonials, a portfolio, or some way to prove you are the real deal, you are playing the hardest mode possible. So no, freelancing isn't a gold rush anymore. It's a business. And the people treating it like a business, they're still winning. Here's the truth. Freelancing isn't dead. But lazy freelancing is buried 6 feet under. The days of making an account, posting a random gig, and hoping someone hires you, gone. This isn't the Wild West anymore. It's a real marketplace and you are competing against agencies, veterans, and now AI. If you are treating freelancing like a side hustle, lottery ticket, you will feel like it's dead. But if you treat it like a business with marketing, positioning, and skill growth, there is still a ton of money on the table. The difference now is you have to fight for it and you have to be strategic. So no, freelancing isn't dead. It's just not for dabblers anymore. Alright, let's talk survival modes and not just surviving, but thriving. Number one, niche down hard. Stop trying to be I do everything. Pick one thing you are amazing at and one specific type of client who needs it. When you are the go-to guide for a specific problem, you stop competing with everyone. Number two, build a brand, not just a profile. A Fiverr page isn't a brand. Post on LinkedIn, share your work on Instagram, make a simple website. When clients Google you, they should see proof you are legit. Number three, learn how to sell yourself. Most freelancers lose jobs not because they can't do the work, but because they can't pitch. Learn how to write proposals that scream, I can fix your problem. Number four, use AI as your wingman. Don't compete with it, partner with it. Let AI handle the boring stuff so you can focus on creativity and strategy. Number five, go multi-platform. Don't just wait on Upwork, do cold outreach, get referrals, network in Discord or niche communities. More fishing lines in the water equal more chances to catch something. The freelancers winning in 2025 or 2026 are the ones acting like business owner, not just account owners. Look, I get it. Freelancing in 2025 or 6 feels like a tougher game than ever. But here's the thing, tough games create strong players. If you are willing to adapt, learn, and actually treat it like a business, there's still so much opportunity out there. The real question is not, is freelancing dead or not? It's, am I willing to level up so I can survive in this new world? And if your answer is yes, you are already ahead of half the people of these platforms. I exactly made a full video breaking down exactly how I would start freelancing today. Step by step, no fluff. I'll leave it right here or here on the screen so you can click it next. If you are serious about freelancing, watch that video. It could be the difference between struggling for months and landing your first client fast. Freelancing isn't dead. It's just waiting for you to show up differently.